This is a short video to demonstrate the difference between HeyGen Avatar 5, 4, and 3. Hi, I am Pierre Erstash Shardavwan, the owner behind Ask Erstash. More precisely, this is my digital twin as presenter of my lessons and reviews powered by HeyGen Avatar 5. Let's compare the versions. I'll use the same avatar look for both the photo and video versions. This is a look created from a video. This performance is made using the Avatar 5 version. Now, I am using the Avatar 3 version. I compare it directly because for now, it has unlimited usage on any paid plan. But as you can see, it's on at the level of the Avatar 5 engine. Note that it's still a video look as the base. Now, we do the same with the HeyGen Avatar 4 engine. It is closer to Avatar 5, but not with the same level of realism. Let's now move on to using a photo avatar. You can see how HeyGen Avatar 5 handles the photo quite well. It's because it looks at the video that you uploaded when creating your avatar to make the photo mimic it exactly. Now you're seeing the Avatar 3 engine using the same photo. You can clearly see the limits. In fact, I am writing this speech knowing exactly the results that I'll discover at the same time as you when the video is rendered. I experienced a difference in voice volume as well in recent videos, even if I set all voices to 100%. Now this is how Avatar 4 performs for the same photo. Alright, I hope this video helped you compare HeyGen Avatar Engine versions 3, 4, and 5. Also, keep in mind that HeyGen Avatar 5 integrates with Seedance and behaves well with a side view of your face. As always, find my affiliate link in the description of this video.